This tzatziki dip is refreshing and so easy to make. You need to try this. To start off with, we're going to get a bowl, and to this we're going to add 300 grams of Greek yogurt. We're then going to grate in half a large cucumber. Before grating it in, you want to take out the seeds from the cucumber and then grate it in. This will stop the tzatziki from becoming too watery. To this we're going to add the juice of half a lemon, a quarter teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To finish it off, add 1 tablespoon of chopped mint. Give this all a good mix and continue to mix it until all of the ingredients are thoroughly combined. It may look like the oil is a little bit separating at first, but if you continue to mix it, it will become nice and incorporated. This is so easy to make and is the perfect side dish. This also pairs great with our flatbreads. To finish it off, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and serve it with your favourite meals.